Hello guys, welcome back. So sorry if hindi ako nakakagawa ng mga wrestling contents lately. Siyempre, Christmas season. So anyways, we are back. And of course, dinidiscuss na ng mga higher ups ng WWE may tendency o may potential baka maglaban si CM Punk at saka si Roman Reigns for WrestleMania next year. No? Alam natin history ni CM Punk and ni Roman Reigns, like paulit-ulit kong sinasabi, nung nag-debut yung Shield, naging mercenary sila for CM Punk. And then na yun, noon merong match si CM Punk at saka si Roman Reigns 11 years ago. So I think Christmas season pa yon ng Monday Night Raw. So ayun, so yun yung dinidiscuss ng WWE higher ups na what if ilagay natin si CM Punk at saka si Roman Reigns for WrestleMania. And even meron din rumor baka gusto ng WWE ilagay si CM Punk for the main event of WrestleMania, which basically means CM Punk will be competing for a championship. Hindi natin alam kung anong championship pin for WrestleMania, whether it's Cody Rhodes or Gunther. Pero na yun, ang report right now going on, dinidiscuss ng higher ups, is maglaban si CM Punk at saka si Roman Reigns. Kasi 'di ba, yun yung last match nila 11 years ago. Sabi ng WWE kay CM Punk, make Roman Reigns look strong. Make Roman Reigns strong. Put Roman Reigns over. Okay? Like, okay, Roman will go over, ganyan, and something like that. And yun yung sinabi sa kanya yun yung sinabi ng WWE kay CM Punk 11 years ago nung naglalaban pa sila ni Roman Reigns. Ngayon, years later, years have passed and nagharap ulit sila face to face nung the Go Home show before Survivor Series. Ngayon, since nakita nila yung reaction ng mga fans, yun yung gusto nila for next year, potential, ilagay nila Roman Reigns versus CM Punk. Remember, the only thing, ang dahilan kung bakit bumalik si CM Punk sa WWE is to main event WrestleMania. And ang current plan ng WWE para sa kanya, una, ilagay ikalaban ni CM Punk kaysa kalabanin ni CM Punk si Seth Rollins. Next naman, kalabanin ni CM Punk si Roman Reigns. So basically, merong history si CM Punk with the two Shield members. With the two Shield members, no? It's no secret na ganun talaga. Pero, titignan natin ako, if ever man ko ako tatanungin, Roman Reigns versus CM Punk WrestleMania, go for it! It's a big money match, diba? Big money match yun, guys. So kayo, anong reaction nyo dito sa rumor na dinidiscuss ng WWE na yun for WrestleMania next year, CM Punk versus Roman Reigns? Let me know in the comments, tara kwentuhan tayo. And for more wrestling and gaming, follow niyo na ako dito sa TikTok and YouTube. Peace out!